Welcome everyone, it's Ryan Sam Hill with Launch the Journey. In today's video I want to show you how, if you're an affiliate marketer, how you can shorten the links, especially from like ClickBank and some of those partners who have really long links. How you can shorten them and actually have a link that actually looks really good for your promotions. That's coming right up. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is your first time being here. We talk a lot about how you make money online, how you can generate a passive income. That way you can launch your journey, escape the 9-to-5 rat race, and enjoy real financial freedom. So if that interests you, Sam and I would like to invite you to go down, hit the subscribe button and bell notification so that you'll be alerted when we come out with new videos. So getting into the content, I'm going to show you like a ClickBank offer that you can promote and how you can shorten that link. And this is going to be a short video. So just go over here to ClickBank. You'll be signed in. Go over here to Marketplace, and this is where all your products are. You can go to like e-business and marketing. So this is go back. You should be able to, maybe there's a drop down link. Yeah, there it is. So e-business and e-marketing, you got all this stuff right here. So surveys, consulting, all this stuff. You can go to affiliate marketing, and let's just take this first product. If you want to promote this product, you just click promote. If you need to use a tracking ID, you can do that. It'll be popped in the link. Just generate a hop link. This is your promotion. This is your affiliate ID for this product. Copy the hop link. Go over here to bitly.com, B-I-T-L-Y. You'll set up an account. After you have an account, you just log in. You can use Google, Facebook, whatever. And then go over here to create. If you don't have no products yet, you'll paste the long link and just hit create. And this is actually your short Bitly URL. So if you were to copy this, go over here to a new page and paste and go, you'll actually go to that product's web page automatically. So that's pretty much it. It's a very short video, but that's how you can use Bitly to shorten your URLs to make them look really nice. If you like the video, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.